Hello everyone, this is part 4 Cisco series access points configuration. In this session we will learn how we can load iOS for lightweight or standalone, for both standalone, autonomous or lightweight. Sometimes happen that the iOS not loaded directly from the TFT server to the access point because of many reasons. Flash is corrupted, a flash is not going to be ready, a flash is having some other issues, sometimes getting notification from the AP, the storage capacity is very low. So how we can deal all these situations and problems? So first of all, we'll see how we can start the TFT server and how we can start the routine. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, we'll assign the IP. Go into the network properties, change the IP to 10.0.0.1, subnet mask in 255.0.0.0, save. So automatically this will be visible in the TFT server. Otherwise we can refresh it, it's okay. So it's visible now, 10.0.0.1. So we will start from the AP. If the files are directly not loaded to the access point, then we will take some other steps. First of all, see the directory of the TFT server. So this having the lightweight version iOS, we have this version. Copy this version, the file name we have copied and we can paste it here. That's the file name. Okay. So already we have lightweight OS. I will share the link of this. This will be available in the description of the video. So right now we will start with the IP. So plug the AP. Now we have plugged the AP. After power on, if files are not directly loaded onto the AP, then we will take some other steps. So this will start booting process. This AP showing that it's already have the standalone iOS, but we want to convert into lightweight. So first of all we'll check if automatically files will not be transferred. Then we'll again unplug the AP and then we'll see the black button on the back of the AP. This is the reset button. And now you can see automatically files are not loaded. So we'll take some different steps. Unplug the power of the AP and keep continuously pressing the black button. That this is a reset button. So on the back of the AP, find the black button, then power on, keep pressing the reset button. So this will clear the whatever files are on the flash for configuration of AP for autonomous. This will be clear, but the iOS will be remain on the AP. This will take little time, and also notification will be appear here, a message, the button is pressed. It means black button is pressed, wait for button to be released. So we'll take 30 seconds to release this button. Wait for 30 seconds. In the meanwhile, the color of the light will be changed to red. Now almost 30 seconds gone, and we will release the button. Now press config recovery, set the IP address and config. So it's not getting iOS directly from the TFT server. So they take some other steps. We'll load the IP address, masking. So wait for this. This is showing the speed of 100 MB, but if you have the network switch gigabit, this will show the 1000. So you can see error opening TFT, and now this AP is appeared here. So we will set the IP. First of all, we'll format the flash, then set the IP. So if you don't know what's the IP of your network, you can check from the system CMD by using this command IP config. So now you will find the IP. So that's your IP 192 default. Check the default gateway. Default gateway is 192.168.3.1. That is the default gateway. So you have to set the default gateway here. So that is the default gateway of the router. Then you can assign the any IP for managing purpose with the AP. So we have assigned 3.111. So you can check like that. So 10.0.1 we have assigned for the loading of IIS. If you remember, we have just changed this. It's a wire network. Alright. First of all, we'll flash the format the flash. Format flash. So this will ask the yes or no. Yes, Y, press Y. Now this will take few seconds to format the flash. After that, we will assign. After formatting the flash, we will assign IP, NETMASK, default router gateway, TFT initialization, Ethernet initialization and flash initialization. Then we will copy this. That is the code which will transfer the IS2 from TFT server to the AP. This will take little time. After formatting the flash, there will be no any IIS in the flash. So you can easily set any IIS, lightweight or autonomous, for the AP. If you want to set light, you need a controller. So this will be work on the controller. You know very well the controller always keeps all the APs all together and assign different IPs. So this controller mostly used in the enterprises. So if whenever you need any controller, you will also watch my controller videos. So we'll upload the videos later for the controller, configuration of the controller, lightweight APs configuration, and upcoming videos for 3802 will be soon launched. This will take like 1, 2 or 3 minutes in formatting the flash. So any softwares, any file which are on the flash will be formatted. Just have to wait. make sure after formatting the flash we have to done all these steps properly, so that the IP, NETMASK, default router, gateway and TFT initialization, Ethernet and FlashNet, do all the steps, then copy paste the iOS. We will extract the iOS onto flash, and after that we'll boot the AP. When AP will be booted, that time automatically iOS will be try to find the controller. If controller is not there, there will be a message, no any cap web is found. So we have to wait just till the flash is formatted. It's taking a little too long in formatting. So actually the storage capacity of the flash is 40 MB and the size of the iOS always sometimes 5 MB, 6 MB, 10 MB up to latest version you can find on the Cisco website. I already upload the software iOS into Drive. You can download from the description of the video. Link will be available. Okay guys, for flash is formatted. So whatever the directives are on the flash, all are deleted. Data is deleted, whatever the data on the flash. So now we'll start the steps to set IP address. NETMASK, default gateway, FlashNet, Ethernet and TFT done. Now copy the port. So guys, the IP files are going to transfer. We had done just little change, so I have a little problem in the wire. So I have done this on the TFT server by using wireless. So I have changed the IP to, apart from 10.0.0.0, I have changed the IP to the wireless. So in the TFT you can see my wireless IP. I have changed this. That's why I have displayed these changes, whatever I did again. So almost 20% files are transferred. So we have to wait. So guys, files are going to be transferred. There's only 5% left. After that, we'll do the last step, boot. So after booting, your OS will be ready onto the AP to use, whether it's standalone or lightweight. 98%, 99, done. So file transferring is finished. Our AP is ready for booting. So start the booting process. IP server. This will take only 2 or 3 minutes for booting. After that, our lightweight software will be ready on the AP. Okay guys, almost booting process is finished. So this AP iOS is finding the controller is not present. So that's why it's showing Cisco cafe controller. So it's not finding any controller anywhere in the default gateway. That is the default gateway IP 192.168.3.1. So we'll check we'll give the username password. Username Cisco. Capital C, Cisco, and Cisco. After that, if you want to connect with the controller, if you have a controller, you can give the cafe and the controller IP. So this AP will join the controller. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.